Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to be looking at task 13d. The question says open the file task 13c. Place a red arrow from the end of the third paragraph so that it points at the figure 250 plus in the table. All right, so we're going to save it as task 13d. All right, so let's open our task 13c. Are you opening? Okay, I think it's open here. Right, so we're going to save it so that we don't forget. Save as. I want to save it as task 13d. All right, I'll okay that. Now what I'm going to do, so this is the first paragraph first of all. This is the second paragraph, and then this is the third paragraph. So we're going to draw our arrow from here. So I'm going to draw the first arrow from, I'm going to go to insert, from insert, get this arrow. So I'm going to hold down my control key and then start from here, and then I will draw this arrow to 250. I want to bring it down a little more. Yes. Now from there, I will right click on the object, which is the line. I want to go to, I actually want to go to format shape. The shape, I want to change the color to red here. And then of course I want to change the width of the shape to, did they indicate? I don't think it was indicated. All they wanted is red. So I just want to make it, let me just make it 2.5. 2.5, the width of the, the line. So I'm going to go again and then pick a line here. I want to draw a line from here, holding down my shift key. I want to draw a line down here. Okay, and I want to also adjust the line to be red and then 2.5, and then another line from here to close, something like that. So I'm going to push up the line a little more, something like that, and then I think let me click on this one, take the formatting, let me see what I'm going to select this. Yeah, did that. So the next thing we're going to do, so let's adjust our line. So I'm going to push up this one a little further using my arrow key. Just push it up a little further, and then I just click on this, hold down my my shift key, adjust it a little more to look good. So let me just increase it. Let me just come a little closer to see how it looks like. So let me shift this one to this side here, just to have something that aligns a little more. I think I'm good with that. Let me push this one further. Okay, so I'm good with that. So this area, let me just see. I'm just trying to be a perfectionist. So let me just bring down this one a little more, and then see how it looks like. Okay, so just a nudge, further nudge down. Right, so it closes down with no edge. So as you can see, it's perfect. Right. So let me just zoom out again, and then see that it looks beautiful the way it is. So I'm going to select everything. So I'm going to hold down my control key, select the first object, select the second object, select the third object. I'm going to right click anywhere on any line, right click, and then group the lines. So I can group the line so it becomes one line. All right, so I think that's about it. So this is how you can insert the arrow. All right, another thing, nothing else. So that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.